Let me ask you a question. What if you can get paid daily from just listening to popular music? Now, of course, you can do it on your phone or you can do it on your computer. Now, the earning potential of this opportunity is incredible, but I want to recommend you to watch this video all the way until the end so that you can follow my exact steps. So you might be wondering, why should I watch this video? Now, first of all, you don't need any followers to do this. You don't need any Spotify account, and then you don't need any special skill to do this as well, and you don't need any payment because this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for any money to do this, and the good news is that this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, you are still able to make money online. So real quick, let us take a look on how much money you can potentially make from this method. Now, first of all, when you listen to one music a day, you can earn $4 from one music. When you listen to 10 musics, you can earn $40, and when you listen to 30 music, you can earn $120, and you can do this over and over again. So at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a few bonus tips that can help you to make more money online, so make sure you keep watching all the way until the end and don't miss out on any important steps. Now make sure you subscribe to my channel, go on and click on the subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to turn on all the notification bells so that you don't miss out when I release my brand new videos that can help you to make more money online. Now first off, I want you to first go on to this website. As you can see here, talent.relocalize.com. Okay, this is gonna be the website that I will show you on how to get paid by just listening to your favorite music. And right here, you can help this company relocalize, and then you're gonna help them to transcribe the lyrics of your favorite music, and you can get paid on a per song basis. And in a moment, I'll show you how you can make money from this popular music. For example, The Perfect from the Ed Sheeran. You can listen to this music and you can transcribe and earn up to $4 per song, and you can do this over and over again. Now I know that what you're thinking, right? How can I transcribe the music? Now don't worry, because at the end of this video, I'll show a few bonus ways that you can do this on a complete automation, because you don't have to do the work yourself, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. So this is step number one, right? When you go onto this website, they'll show you a tutorial video, so you can watch the video and then you can register on this website for absolutely free, and then you can transcribe different songs, different popular musics, and transcribe them into lyrics, and you're gonna get paid up to $4 per song. And also don't forget, at the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how to do this, and you can do this for hundreds and hundreds of musics, and you're gonna make a lot of money if you follow me until the end. So right here, once you sign up for a free account, you're gonna go on to step number 2. As you can see here, now you can receive an invitation to transcribe and download the application. Now make sure once you sign up, you're gonna go on and check your email inbox, because they're gonna send you all the invitation to your email. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to sign up. All the sign up process is a very important process. Make sure you don't miss out on them. So as you can see here, once you finish setting up your account, on step number 3, you can actually start transcribing, and you will be getting paid per music, okay, per song that you listen to. So right here, as you can see, register to transcribe music lyrics for $4 per song. Now this is crazy, because at the end of this video, I'll show all the automation to do this. But first off, you're gonna set up for a free account. Now before you go on to able to set up this account, you're gonna need a few things, right? Number 1, you'll need a Gmail account. And number 2, you will need an Apple ID. So right now, I'll show exactly how to get them so that you can actually sign up for a free account. So first off, I want you to go to accounts.google.com. Okay, accounts.google.com. So right here, you're going to create for a free Google account so that you can get a new Gmail. So right here, you're going to put in your first name, your last name, and right here, you can create your free Gmail account, right? Because you need this account in order to sign up. As you can see here, they are only accepting Gmail only. Please, no other email providers. Now, if you're using Hotmail, Outlook, or AOL, or other email providers, you gotta get a free Gmail account in order to sign up. So once you put in your email address, just go and click on the next button, and you have to verify your identity or verify your phone numbers. So right here, you can create a free Gmail account. It is very simple. It is absolutely free. Now, once you sign up for a Gmail account, you can finish this process right here, where you just have to enter your Gmail. So right here, you're gonna notice your Apple ID or iCloud account. Now right here, very important. So I want you to go to iCloud.com. Okay, go to iCloud.com. So right here, you can sign in into your iCloud account. But right here, you still don't have any iCloud account if you're completely new. So right at the bottom of the website, you're gonna see here very little, but you can see here create Apple ID. Okay, right over bottom, click on this link right here. and they're going to open up a new tab as you can see here. So right here you can create your Apple ID. So one Apple ID is all you need to access all Apple services. So right here you're going to put in your first name, your last name. As you can see here, for the country, they're basically accepting people from worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you're coming from, you can still create a free iCloud account and Apple ID. So right here, just put in your birth date, your name, your password, and also your security question. Now you can choose whatever question that you want, but make sure you remember the answers that you put in. You can write it down on a paper or on your computer, right? Make sure you remember the answers. So once you put in all your details, you can just go and click on this continue button. Now this is where you can get an Apple ID, because right here, as you can see, you need an Apple ID or an iCloud account to sign up. So very important, make sure you don't miss any step. Now once you get the Gmail and Apple ID, you can continue the sign up process. So right here for the computer operating system, you can select Apple or Windows. So it doesn't matter, just pick one of them. So on the country section right here, when you click on this select country, you can choose where are you coming from. So it doesn't matter where you're coming from, US, Australia, Canada, Philippines, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, right? All of them, you're able to get accepted on this new opportunity. So do you speak English at a native like level? So right here, I will encourage you to choose on yes, because I've seen a lot of other applicants, when they choose no, they are going to get rejected. So make sure you choose on yes. Now once you finish all the steps right here, just go and put in your first name and your last name and just click on register for Snap. Now very important for you to follow exactly what I show you on this video. So as you can see here, what happens after I register, you're going to receive an email from our staff with an information on how to download the transcription app, and then how you're going to get paid and all the additional training instruction. The reason why I like this company, because they are very professional and they're going to give you some training, some application, how to download, and also they'll show you how much money you can potentially make. So right now I'm going to show you how you can actually transcribe some popular music, right? Some music videos. So say for example, when you come on to YouTube videos, you're going to find a lot of popular music. For example, this one, The Perfect from Ed Sheeran. Now the cool thing about YouTube is that they actually give you auto transcription. Now you cannot see this on other people's video, but say for example, if you are uploading your own videos, now once you receive your music videos, you can actually upload them on YouTube. Again, this is absolutely free. So once you upload your music videos, when you go on to below the video right here, when you click on these three little dots right here, when you click on this, you're going to see here open transcript. Well, when I click on this button right here, so as you can see here, when I click on this button and when I click on open transcribe, they're going to pop out a new box. As you can see here, this is the transcription that's automatic generated by YouTube themselves. Now this is very powerful, because that's going to save you a lot of time on all the transcribing of the music videos. As you can see here, so in this quick video, I'll show you step by step exactly how to earn big money online. This is exactly what I talk about in my videos, and I show words by words all the transcription. So right now, what you want to do next is you want to highlight everything. Now I'm going to do it live for you. Now when you highlight everything, when you scroll down below real quick, I want to show you how to do this. So right now you want to highlight everything, all the transcription of the entire music, right? Entire music videos. Now once you highlight everything down below, you're going to go on and right click and just click on copy, right? Copy everything. Right now you're going to go back to a Google document, right? Make sure you go into a blank page. You can do it on your Microsoft Word or a notepad as well. So right now you're going to paste everything on this Google document. As you can see here, all the transcription with the timestamp, right? Very powerful. As you can see here, on the 4 seconds, on the 9 seconds, this is exactly what I talk about. Now this is very, very powerful, but sometimes for the YouTube auto transcription, you might see some spelling mistakes, some grammar mistakes, so you have to correct them. And the reason why I like to use this service from YouTube is because they save you a bunch of time. So if you're not good at English, or if you don't have a lot of time, this is definitely a very powerful strategy that you can take advantage of. Now when you paste onto the Google document, one extra benefit is that you can actually see some spelling mistakes, right? Because when you have a spelling mistake, they're going to underline them in red colors, and you can just right click them and automatically change to the right spelling or the right grammar. So very, very powerful tool when you combine the YouTube auto transcription and using the Google document. Now you can submit this and just earn $4 by just transcribing music videos, right? There are a bunch of music videos that you can transcribe every single day. So right now I want to show you another alternative method. If you don't like this method which I showed just now on YouTube and on Google Doc, if you don't like to do this, I want to show you the second way is by using otranscribe.com. Now, when you go into this website, you can actually get a free web application. Now, this is a very powerful tool that's absolutely free. You can just go and click on this blue button, start transcribing, and then right here, you can actually upload a YouTube video, so upload an audio music file, and then they're going to automatically transcribe everything for you. And again, this is going to save your time, but you still have to do the work. You still have to check some spelling and grammar mistakes. So these two right here is going to save you a lot of time so that you can make more money, you can do more and listen to more music, transcribe more music without any experience and without any tech skill. And of course, this is all a free method, right? You can do this for free, and you can use this method for free as well by using YouTube and the Google document. So this is exactly how you can transcribe music lyrics for just $4 per song, and you can repeat this over and over again. But make sure you follow exactly how I sign up so you can create for a free account. So if you think that this method today is so difficult and you want a more step-by-step training that you can follow and start making your first $1, your first $10, your first $100, and even your first $1,000 online, go on and check out the first link down in the video description. That's my number one recommendation that's going to train you on how to make money online. Go on and click on the first link right now, and I'll send you all the details into your email inbox. So before I leave this